I'm Kaiet, and I'm going to do intsaulsa with my grandmother. Here we have the ingredients: 1 liter of milk, 200 grams of nuts, 150 grams of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, a lemon rind. First, we boil milk with cinnamon. We leave the nuts aside. We mix the nuts with the sugar. Now we crush the nuts. When we have crushed it, the mixture is like this. Now we put the milk. Now we mix the cinnamon stick with the milk. And now we put lemon rind in the mixture of cinnamon stick and milk. Wow, I smelled very sweet, but very, very sweet. When we have the second mixture, we put the sugar in the milk. Okay, and the two mixtures was finished. Cook for 40 minutes, and when it thickens out of the fire.
And this is the intsaulsa, a very famous Christmas dessert in the Basque Country. Bye bye.